City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Meriwether County in west-central Georgia, southeastern Carroll County in northwest Georgia, northeastern Central Georgia, west coastal Georgia, west central Georgia, west central Georgia, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 12:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from your Hamilton to Harrisville, moving at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roof. Sighting: entries. Locations impacted include Plan 8 in Harrison, Dunway Gardens, Huntsville, Conway, Harrisville, East Harris, Hillcrest, Whitesburg, Madras, Rocky Mount, St. Mark's, Sharpsburg, Mothersville, Arnco, Towers Crossroads, and Peachtree City. For your protection, move to your room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, clouds, ground lightning occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-344-4664 to report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central, Northwestern, and West Central Georgia. At noon in Peachtree City, it was